This video is meant for those that are already familiar with the E2 investor visa. You have a passport from one of those countries behind my screen, and basically your time is really valuable. You're making 200,000, 300,000 plus a year. You have a substantial net worth, generally above $1 million. And it doesn't really make sense for you to be working day to day in a business that you invest 150K to take out what 50,000, 100,000 max in the first year or a couple of years. So this service that we offer is for clients that are seeking a business that also offers operational support. So our clients not only rely on us at Visa Franchise to vet the business model, so that's generally the franchise system or licensed business, but they also rely on us to vet the day-to-day operator. So we have a very systematic approach on how we evaluate these different businesses. We've reviewed 5,000 plus franchise disclosure documents of over 1,800 franchises to date, where we've data mined the most important characteristics that define if a franchise business is going to be a success or not. Really, has it been successful or not? We can have the data to see, over the last 5, 10, 20 years, as well as talking to existing franchisees and receiving numbers from the franchisor on how successful the business model is. And 50% plus of franchises do disclose their financials in item 19. That makes this process a little bit easier, but it's really important also to check for litigation, bankruptcy, etc. If it's a non-franchise business, we're generally going to engage a third-party firm to do a background check, including prior bankruptcies, litigation, as well as criminal record of the principals of the licensed business. So at Visa Franchise, we pre-vet the opportunities, going through some of the most important characteristics that define success to a franchise system. I'd say less than 5% of businesses pass this initial vetting. There's a lot of just bad franchises out there, as well as franchises that don't have a high profit margin. So there's not enough money to have a day-to-day operator, while the owner focuses more on the strategy and finances of the business. So for our high net worth clients that are really seeking a business that provides operation support, we're going to also vet the day-to-day operator, who's generally going to be the franchisor taking a minority stake in the business, or it might be some sort of operation support contract to help support you on a day-to-day basis while you're having management meetings on a regular set schedule, and you have access to the point of sale software, all the bank accounts, you're receiving regular monthly reports. So you really know what's going on in the business. You're still managing the executives, and you're not on the front lines. So if it's an ice cream shop, you're not selling ice cream. If it's a property management franchise, you're not going with the maintenance person to fix the plumbing. This is more for the E2 Visa investor that their time is very valuable, and they might need to be traveling back and forth between their home country, and they need to have someone that they can rely on with a proven track record to support the day-to-day operations of the business. So at Visa Franchise, all we focus on is vetting the businesses for you and saving you time and most likely money if you were to invest in the wrong business. We work with some of the top immigration law firms. We have a very extensive network. We're very happy to work with any immigration law firm as long as they have experience with the E2 visa. And we also have a network of leading corporate attorneys, franchise attorneys to support your case and to ensure your investment as well as your immigration goals are met. So this has been Patrick Findaro, one of the 2 managing partners at Visa Franchise. And for those that make significant money or have significant capital, you might want to look at this option for your E2 Visa investor, so we can save you a lot of time and money from making the wrong decision.